a man in Egypt and he went to see his family. He said, "Woman, what are you doing?" That woman started making dua for him. Which hospital did you go? Assalamu alaikum. Today, I want to share with you all the importance of charity by a story. A man in Egypt and doctor in Egypt told him, "Brother, your all blood veins reaching to your heart is closing up. The surgery is so much difficult and so much dangerous. The best way, you go to Europe to make a surgery for your heart." When he went to Germany, the Germany doctor tells him, "Your all veins almost closed. This is a very dangerous operation that we have to do to you. The chance of living is 50-50%. The man feeling that this might be the last few days of his life, he talked to the doctor, "Can I have 2 days to go back to my family and give them the farewells because I may die in Germany? Let me go to my friends and ask them to forgive me." So the doctor tells him, "Go, but don't late because your veins is closing." So the man went to Egypt and he went to see his family and friends. As he was walking, he saw a woman near a butcher shop collecting the little bones that fall down from the butcher. That is the rubbish of the bonus. He said, "Woman, what are you doing?" She said, "I'm collecting this for my daughters." He said, "Why?" She tells him, "We don't have money and my daughters did not eat meat since 2 years. This is only meat that they can eat." So the man talked to the butcher, "This sister will come to you every week. You shall give her what is enough for her and for her daughters. And I will pay you the money for 1 year. That you can be guaranteed to give her for 1 year." That woman started making dua for him. "Oh Allah, give him health. Oh Allah, give him wishes." The man after that went his house. His daughter told him, "My father, your face is changed. My father, your face is open. My father, your face is so much changed and so much open." He said, "Alhamdulillah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make the operation easy in Germany." So he traveled to Germany. The Germany doctor do the final checkup before operation. So doctor asks him, "Which hospital did you go?" He tells him, "I never go to hospital." Doctor tells him, "No, you have taken strong medicine that opened up all your veins. Your veins is so much open. You don't need any operation. You don't need any surgery anymore." He tells him, "I know that is the cure is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the one who have cured me in him." Finally, you have to think about this story that has cured a person by a charity. May Allah give us the ability to give charity in our life. Ameen, summa ameen. Wassalamu alaikum.